Hey everyone, it's Samuel from Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you how to get server tags and add cool gradient color roles to your Discord server. First up, what are server tags? Server tags are custom labels or badges you can assign to members or channels to organize your community better, like gamer, moderator, or artist. They make your server more fun and easier to navigate. Gradient color roles are roles with colors that smoothly transition from one shade to another, making your server roles visually stunning. Step 1. To get server tags and gradient color roles, you'll need a bot that supports these features. Popular bots like MEE6, YAGPDB, or Carlbot offer tag management and role customization. Visit their websites and invite the bot to your server using the provided invite link. Make sure to give the bot permission to manage roles and send messages. Step 2. Once the bot is in your server, go to its dashboard on the bot's website. From there, you can create custom tags. These are labels you assign to users through commands or automatically based on criteria like activity. For gradient color roles, some bots allow you to customize role colors directly in their dashboard, or you can use external tools to generate gradient color codes. Step 3. Creating gradient roles manually. Go to your Discord server settings, then Roles. Create a new role, and pick a color for it. To create a gradient effect, create multiple roles with slightly different colors, then assign them to users in a layered way. Some bots even have commands to help automate this, so check their documentation. Step 4. Assign tags and roles to members. Use the bot's commands or dashboard to assign server tags and roles to users based on their activity, rank, or contribution. This makes your server interactive and organized. Step 5. Test everything. Check that the tags display properly and roles show the gradient colors you want. Adjust permissions as needed so members see the colors and tags clearly. And there you have it. A Discord server with custom tags and stunning gradient color roles that make your community pop. Follow Guide with Samuel for more Discord tips and easy guides.